All right, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
How much do college professors need?
Okay, class.
Yes.
I know everyone here is ready because no one is currently having earbuds in right now. Everyone is paying absolute attention and actually having their notes out. Not implying anyone over there doesn't have notes out or anything yet. Okay, so item by item. This is the same problem that we were working on yesterday. But this time, what we're doing is we're going to do the whole list again, and then we're going to fill these in. So as we go, first thing I'm going to do is, how many payments do you think I want to see?
Well, I mean, yeah.
180.
I want to see 180 because I want all of them, right? I'm going to have a whole bunch of different ones in between here. Not time yet. A couple more minutes.
But, no.
Oh, you're missing that? Okay. So I will do 180. So let's also go through and, so N is 180. I have my I, 5.5. I have PV, which is 210,000. My PMT is going to be 9715.88. I have my future value of all loans has to be 0. I have PPY is 12 and CPY is also 12. Okay, this is the same thing we did yesterday. It's the same one as yesterday, same problem. I'm just having you do it again because practice makes perfect. And actually entering it is going to make your life easier. So as long as we're entering this in currently, not doodling on our paper, we are going to be successful when I ask you to come up to the board and write down the answers here in a moment. All right, I'm setting up the calculator now. So here's my previous one, the one that we did on the warm-up. I'm just going to hit, okay, to clear your calculator. This is probably what you want to do often, especially when you pick up the calculator. Hit doc, letter B, because someone met, some of those people that worked on this last hour didn't do very well. So you don't want to look at their stuff. You want to have your own stuff, right? Because you know how to do it correctly. Menu. Finance. Amortization and amortization tables. Are we writing down the steps to get here? I hope so. Okay, yes.
We're gonna enter the monthly payment too in there, right?
Yeah, we're going to do everything, yes. So when we ever do this programming, option 1, right there. So the first number you put in is going to be the list. How many payments do you want to see? We want to see all of them. So we're going to put 180. So that's what you're doing. Some people are just playing on their phone instead, but you ain't heard it from me. I ain't one to gossip, but people that pick their nose and play on their phone are not very good friends. So 180, comma. So after my payments goes N. My N on this problem we said was 180. After that goes interest. Yeah. Okay, Gabriel, pay close attention right here. This first 180 is how many payments I'm looking at. How many payments I want to list. Okay? It's before the N. The next number is the N. That's where it starts my N, okay? So then we go down the list for the N, which is the 180. After N is I, which was 5.5, comma, PV, 210,000, comma. Now, the reason why we're going to do this next part is because quite often you're going to get these and you're not going to know what the payment is. This problem gave you the payment. Sometime you don't want to have to do these questions twice. You just want to do this one time. So by putting another comma with nothing in between there, that means that the calculator is going to calculate the payment for you. Okay, it's going to calculate the payment for you. The next comma that you're just going to put there is going to be the future value, because your calculator needs your future value to be 0, right? That's what it's commonly set to. That's what your default is. Okay? After my future value, yes, go ahead.
But it's giving us the monthly payment, so why didn't we put it there?
That's next. Remember, going down the list. PMT, right? So it goes PMT, future value, then what's after future value?
Payment per year?
Payments per year. That's where I get my first 12. Okay? So there's that 12 for payments per year, and after payments per year is 12, which is also CPY, right? So I got right there. Yes. It's almost like I was just explaining why.
It's like you told us too.
I know, right? It's almost like let me check the video.
It's almost like you dig right into here.
I know. Let me back up the video on this one. Okay. I don't think I actually did say it, but you know there's video on this one.
You didn't do anything. How did you pay attention?
Hey, yes, you pay attention. Okay. If you go back to playing that soccer on your freaking thing again, I might lose myself. Anyway,
I'll do it after
all right.
class.
From here,
It is
hit enter. There we go. Now, let's go through and look at my values. So if you're looking at the 180, does everyone have the same 180 here? Payment 180. Is everyone looking at the same numbers? Anyone has something different?
Yeah, mine doesn't have the extra nine.
It doesn't have what?
On the 7.829. Mine just has 7.82.
Okay, you're fine. Actually no, because that one's gonna round, right?
Oh shit, we did something wrong, dude.
I have negative 1.36.
It might be one of the settings. So let's go through, and because I just updated everyone's operating system, so we're gonna go back up. Let's go back up to the question.
Wait, now that we're just missing one number.
You are missing one number. So watch this. So I'm gonna highlight this. I'm gonna highlight this.
What do you highlight?
I just went up twice and it highlighted this right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I just hit enter, so it brought it back down. So now I'm gonna change one thing to make sure everything is gonna be exactly the same. So right in here, I'm gonna put a 0. Let's see if we can force it to be 0. Because at the end of my loan, what should my balance be? It should be 0, right? My future value should be 0. So let's put that one there. Let's see if that helps.
You got that? Did you change it or no?
Yeah, just hit enter.
No, like mine's correct. It doesn't look like yours was.
Okay, you're good. No. I'm just checking to see if it actually is going to change anything.
Nah,
Nope,
I made it worse.
it didn't. Does the same. So now, I'm going to come over to yours, and hopefully we could actually do this.
Homework day?
No.
Yeah.
No, it means you need to do something besides that.
We're just missing like the ones at the end and everything. That's no thick end.
That means that you owe $1. You still owe $1.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, because yours on float. I'm sorry.
Where's
They were supposed. My last class was supposed to update the settings. Everyone's supposed to be on fixed 3.
They set us up.
Yep.
You should talk, give him a lecture. Just a college man. He teaches college. Whether you feel
Your
like
mom
school
goes to
college.
college.
No, whether you went to college. What college?
There we go.
I don't know, dude. She doesn't ask me. I don't know. Yes. She showed me the thing.
Oh, is that as she was trying to kick you out of the house?
She didn't kick me out of the house.
Which time?
Nah, last year. That's what it
Oh, wow. Hey, she's all Merry Christmas.
is. I'm
take
not
the love."
lying.
I know, right? What is this, Dr. Phil? Seriously. I can't put this on YouTube later on.
Maybe get more views.
I know, let me trauma them.
Wow. That's so like low hanging fruit right there. There you go. Because seriously. Oh yeah, you got the same thing. So this is what I'm gonna. I'll come back right now. All right, this is what I'm gonna have you guys do.
Big ass cash.
Okay, on your notes right here. We already did 1 and 2 yesterday, right? For those people here yesterday, we already did 1 and 2. For you people, we're gonna do 3 right now, and then you are gonna fill in the rest.
Oh.
So 3. So I get 9, 5, 5, 5, 6. No, wait, 6. 9, 5, 5, 5, 8.
Look, all the answers are here.
Next one is going to be 760.30. And my overall balance at that time for the third payment is going to be 207,729.50. Okay. Your job is to scroll through and fill in the rest of these for 30, 20, 125, 179, and 180. Okay, I'm going to come around and help anyone that actually needs it. Okay, yours, you started in the wrong area. Okay, you're supposed to start scratch pad, which is right there. Okay? Then you weren't there. You were on another thing. Okay, 8, 3, 1. Okay, this is 180. 180. 5.5. 210. Anthony,
I'm just kidding.
I really need you on your best behavior here.
I'm trying. I'm a little upset. I can't find 30. How do you do that?
I don't know. How do you get down?
Well, I'm sure how to get down.
So just start scrolling. So right here. Use your mouse. Click somewhere. Okay. And you are going to 30, right? So you put the mouse down. Okay, until you get to 30, okay? Oh, okay. Hold on, let me see.
Bro, he's ready to That's my brother.
Yeah, the next one up. So 9 cents would become 10 cents, right? So it moves over.
Somebody's quiz this with you?
I can't Saturday.
No?
¿Te pegan?
Nah, there's a party for me.
Okay.
There's a party for me. The cable. It's like here, but I don't think it's it. Where did you get what? Where did you even get that? Acho, how do you scroll down these things?
There's a slider bar on the right hand side.
It's not working. That's my brother.
Okay, I see your problem. You have 5 zeros. So you got 2 million.
Damn. Yeah.
There we go. Alright, anyone else need help?
For me, it was 1.36.
Okay, I'm gonna change that right now. The setting is for 06. And so do it again. So that's number, there you go. Alright, anyone else? Ron? Yeah, your settings as well.
Wait, that's me. Oh. Yeah, I remember what I said. Yo, bro, I know, I know. Why, what about it? Do it. Yeah, it's
Here you Hey, you're supposed to be filling in your notes right now.
Look, bad boy.
Are we always like
Yeah, you can. I just forced 0 to see if that would actually change it.
You do understand? But yeah,
Yeah, if you want to even put your payment down there, if you want to put that, you can. You can. It's not going to make a difference. Okay, but sometimes you're not given the payment, so you don't want to do this problem twice. You don't want to have to go do the finance solver to find the payment and then come back in. So the calculator does both things together at the same time. That's why you leave it blank.
even if it already gives you the payment,
You can put it in if you want.
and if it doesn't, you don't
Yeah, you don't have to. You don't have to find it first. All right, I'm hoping you guys all, because I went around, everyone looks like that they are on the right track. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the rest of the time today in class. You guys are going to finish up. Take a look at your homework. Okay, you have to do the amortization problems here in class. So that means on your homework, you do these problems now, because you're not going to be able to do it at home. You can do the finance solver at home, not the amortization.
can we rest these out?
Make sure you all like, share, and subscribe.